So again, as with every break, some more new faces here. So let's time for another introduction. I'm Sriram from yourstory.in, and since we're running terribly short of time, we're going to do a quick demo of sorts. Rather than demo, it's going to be a quick chat with 3 entrepreneurs who are doing some fantastic work in the mobile app space. So let me go for the first one. I take great pleasure in calling on stage Sriram Iyer of United Mobile. So Sriram, tell me about your solution as such. It's called USync, I believe. Yeah.
So, hi, my name is Sriram, and Arun, who's not here, and I started United Mobile apps about 2 years ago. So Arun and I traveled extensively. We were actually part of the first 4G rollout, as 3G is still happening in India. So we saw that phone capabilities were getting better, and network connectivity to each of these phones were getting better. So we thought this gives us very interesting opportunities, because phones will become gateways of personal and business transactions. And they also become the medium to not just consume, but also to create and share content. So with this vision, we started creating something called a Unify platform. What this platform basically tries to solve is it tries to provide a range of services. Actually, Sunny Rao from Nuance, actually, I thought he was talking about our presentation. So what Unify tries to solve is the problem of platform and device fragmentation. We see that the phones are getting better, and as they get to communicate with each other, the manufacturers are trying to put in an ecosystem around their own devices. For example, Apple has Mobile Me, and FaceTime is restricted by iPad and iPhone 4s, and Nokia has its OV, but there is nothing across these platforms. So we created something called Unify, which runs on most of these platforms and provides data synchronization, content sharing, content search, location-based, and one of the questions which Vasuki asked, in-app payment gateways. So that's what Unify does. It provides a range of services. Like Sunny Rao was talking about use cases where he's watching a movie on his tablet, goes home and continues watching on TV. So those kinds of use cases are possible with USync. Actually, Amazon recently introduced something called a Whisper Sync, which is you can read a book on your iPhone, on iPad, or go back to your Kindle, or go back to your PC and continue reading. So Sync is not an application per se, but now it's becoming a feature or a service that various applications and other services provide. And people are free to use our, they have to pay us, but they can tie up with us and use our services.
So this is a paid app, is it?
Actually, it's more like a platform.
Okay.
And to showcase this platform, we developed some apps.
Okay.
So one of the apps that we developed, I can tell later why, but was a phone book backup and synchronization app.
Called
so
USync.
It's called USync.
Okay.
And it's a free app, free to download, but it has a 7-day free trial, and after that people have to pay like about 199 Indian rupees.
NanoStuffs is about. So Ankita, so quickly, in about a minute, tell us what NanoStuffs, the application, is about.
Sure. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ankita, representing company NanoStuffs, as Shrikant said. You must be wondering what these 20 to 25-year people are doing here and telling about their apps. So since our college days, we were working as a freelancer. Then I worked for Oracle for a year. Then my partner worked for Infosys for 1.5 years. And later, just before 8 months, in October 2010, the time came where we thought, let's put up our thoughts and have our own company.